Even after reading the thumbnail, you decided to click on this video, huh? The fuck is wrong with you, bro? January's almost over, and how have you already fucked up every single one of your New Year's resolutions? What happened to your Sam Sulek Sigma Boy glow up full locked-in monk mode promise? Failing every single resolution before February? That's actually impressive in a sad, pathetic kind of way. Oh, you're still watching? Let me guess, you're probably in bed right now, double chin tucked into your chest, watching this on full brightness in the dark like a depressed raccoon.
But I tried my best to stay consistent, bro. It's just the first month. I still have 11 months left.
What kind of fuckery kind of excuse is that? You know what's rough? Watching you act like a motivational quote bot on social media while living like an NPC who's glitching between the couch and the fridge. Listen, if you had tried your best, then this video would just make you laugh because you would have already accomplished all the goals. Didn't you say that, although I fucked up 2024 like every other year, this year will be different? Different? My fucking ass, bruh. Remember when you posted that cringe Instagram story about leveling up? Yeah, how's that working out for you, main character? The only thing you've been leveling up is your high score on being a disappointment. You're probably thinking, I'm being mean. Nah, fam. Mean would be letting you continue lying to yourself. Mean would be watching you post bullshit locked-in grind-set journey posts on social media while your only journey is from your bed to DoorDash. Want some real motivation? Here's your daily affirmation. You're not a clown, you're the entire circus. But hey, at least clowns actually perform. You're just sitting there while doing nothing. The sad part? I know you've got it in you, but you're too busy being a professional disappointment to actually prove me wrong. Go to the comments and write down how many hours you're putting in the effort. How many hours did you study, or don't? Keep watching motivation videos while eating chips in bed. Keep telling yourself, tomorrow's the day. If you are someone who didn't give up in the first month and is going hard as fuck, then respect to you, brother. Drop knowledge in the comments. Even I might learn something from you. And if you failed, then get the fuck off YouTube and go disappoint someone else for a change. At least that would be something new. Or subscribe to this channel and let's help each other grow together.